Hey everybody, Dwayne Rains here with KeyDigital. Welcome to ISE 2023, and I'm here with a special edition of KD Live with my buddy Jonathan Ferry. And so we're going to be talking about all kinds of cool things. You need to come by and see our booth if you're in the Barcelona area, and it's really cool. We're in the HT-based T booth, showing a lot of our UCC solutions, our BYOD, our WP8, our Lacambio, which Jonathan will talk about later. And so right now I'm going to introduce him. Jonathan Ferry, you know him, you love him. You can't live without him.
Hey, there I am. All right. Very cool.
Okay, Jonathan, this next product we're going to talk about is our XPS22U. This is our longest range extender kit. This is an HT-based smart extender, and it's got two HDMIs to go 100 meters. Also has some other features, USB, so you can take our camera like you're viewing us on now, all the way back. So, Jonathan, I'll get a little more technical. I did mention earlier when we started, we are at a trade show, as you can hear in the background, and see a few people coming in and out. They're not part of the program normally, but some cameos. So.
There you are, special guest appearance. So with the XPS22U, it's sold as a kit. It's got some more great features like CEC control, so you can turn on and off your displays through the KeyDigital app, which connects to the transmitter, and it's an IP controllable device, so you could even switch because it's got two HDMI inputs. You could switch from HDMI 1 to HDMI 2. It's a switcher / transmitter receiver all in one. It's even got a local pass-through port, so you could connect the local monitor like a confidence monitor. If you're presenting in a training room, for example, you got your podium plug-in, your table plug-in, and you got your presenter needs to view what they're sharing on the screen. So it's not, they don't have to be looking over their shoulder all the time at perhaps people walking past them in the conference room. USB 2.0 is extended as well, so you can send like a USB camera and mic speaker combo, just like what we do with the TOA Lacambio, or the TOA and KeyDigital Lacambio setup.
Next up, our product is our KD-X444SP and LP, standard range and long range. This is our HDMI over CAT extender that will go in the standard range up to 50 meters and in the long range up to 70 meters. And Jonathan, kick it away on the features.
Yes, sir. So these are full 4K 18G extenders, support for HDR and surround audio up to 5.1. They're powered over CAT, so you only need to connect one CAT wire, and it's going to power the other end. So there's only one power supply included in the box. It's got your full assortment of EDID control, hot plug detection control as well, making the extension reliable for you, just like you've always come to expect from KeyDigital. The LP adds a local HDMI pass-through port. So if you want to, like, for example, connect and get up to 7.1 surround or high def audio surround into a local surround receiver, you could do it this way by connecting through the pass-through port, because the extension is up to 5.1, 6.1 only, Dolby DTS. We include the IR sensor and an IR emitter in the box as well, so you're able to control devices on the other end of the extension. And the EDID control is completely updated, so you've got your full assortment. You can select anything 1080i to 4K 10G or 4K 18G. If you're having trouble in the field, you just hit the little hot plug detection switch to turn on the hot plug detection. It's going to solve a lot of issues for you. There's pitfalls out there with digital video integration. We build the tools in so you can overcome those at KeyDigital. And if you have many extenders in the rack, you can use our SMS16 shelf mounting solution. You can put actually up to 12 of them across in the rack there, allowing for proper ventilation, and makes for a very, very clean integration. So with that said, Dwayne, gracias, amigo.
Yes, sir. Whatever you say.
And we're looking forward to seeing you all here at ISE 2023. We're really excited to be back here on the show floor, so much so that I'm even breaking out my really bad Spanish. So thanks so much for joining us, everybody.